We're at ACG Bakersfield on McCutcheon. You know, exotics, we've got some, you know, old school trucks, we got some lowriders, so great turnout this part. If you want to have a good time, if you want to catch some good vibes, meet some good people, check out some great rides. We're doing some lemonade, we're doing some coffee. We got some of the best vendors in Bakersfield.
Hi, my name is Jane. I'm the owner of Jane's Coffee Lab. Thank you for coming out to Cars and Coffee with ACG.
We're over here at Cars and Coffee with ACG. These are our empanadas. We're gonna be here next time. Come on down.
Hey, my favorite car today was the pink Lamborghini. It's super cute. Let's go ride. Hi, it's Cassie with Pokey Pockets. We can't wait to see you guys next meet.
Thank you guys all for coming out. We had a great turnout. See you guys next time.
We're gonna have our next event coming up in August, so stay tuned.
It was a great turnout. Thankful for everyone that came. We're looking forward to seeing a lot more people for the next one.